Okay, well here we are, camping again out at Broadwater campground. This is my first go at talking. Jack thinks it's pretty funny. So we'll see how we go. You right, mate? God. We had some rain this morning coming in. We thought it was going to be quite wet, but it's not too bad actually. The place is very green. Not too bad, only about 15-18 k's of dirt to drive in here once you get off the bitumen. Over here we've got the showers are closed because of the COVID disease, but the toilets are fine to use. There's Jacko, thinks everything's hilarious. Alright, we'll keep going down here for a bit. Hang on a minute. Okay, so we've just come in behind the toilet area to a little area that's got all bollards around it, so you can't bring cars or camper trailers in here. But you can bring your tent in here and have a camp. A couple of tables and huts to stay under, fire pits. Amazing here, green, lush. We might just head through the jungle here over to camp, have a bit of a poke around. This is another little camp here, although you'd probably stay here in summer because it's pretty shady. It's not much good now though, it's a bit boggy. Back on track, heading towards camp. We've got this nice little spot here, private. Sort of can't see anybody else, they can't see us. The big 200. That's a sexy car, isn't it? Fire's going. Jack's got his little setup here again. He's got his Darchie swag, awning. That's all going pretty good. Fire going, tunes going. Alright, I'll go around and here's the new shower setup. Jogger, solar panels, and the hot tap works beautiful too. Alright, we'll keep going a bit further and see what happens. Alright, morning guys. Alright, we woke up, day 2. Had some big rain last night. Thought I'd do a little video of how the Icon performed in the rain. Did really good. A lot of posts on Facebook about how the waters leaked up through the corners up the top there, but I think they got a new design and it's worked pretty good. Well, it's worked very good, it hasn't leaked at all. New Oz Trail quick shade or gazebo, whatever you want to call them, went really good, no leaks at all. Glad we bought that, otherwise there wouldn't be many places to sit. Oh, Jack's set up worked really good. Old King's awning. I'll tell you what though, if you ever want to get yourself a little fire pit, these Darchie collapsible fire pits are sensational. We've used it that many times. Got a little grill there you put on top, cook your burgers, steaks, whatever. So I rate it. They're not too expensive. And once we get some coals going, we'll put some snags on and have a feed, I think. We just got a few bush chooks visit us this morning. Apart from that, it's pretty good. We'll probably get more rain today too, so. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Okay, so we've decided to get a bit of an energy burst and come down to the creek. I think it's called Broadwater Creek, I don't know, that's what we'll call it. So this is just so nice in here. I haven't camped many times in the rainforest, but I'm a bit of a fan. But last time we were here, there wasn't a great deal of water in the creek, but she's definitely got some water in it now. We'll just go down here and have a bit of a look at the rapids. So last year when we came up here, this didn't have a great deal of water in it, but there was still some little rapids for nephew and his little girls were going down. It'd be a pretty wild ride now for them. Nice in summer, probably a bit too cold to have a swim in winter, but that's pretty good. Okay, so you can see how nice this is. This is pretty nice. I'll just check how cold the water is. Oh shit, yeah, a little bit cold. Alrighty. So this is the day use area. I don't think I've actually said where we are. It's Broadwater campground at Abergowrie National Park. Now, this is all free to come here for this day use area. But we're only paying, I think, $20 a night for the three of us in the campsite. So it's only $60 for the 3 nights. That's pretty good.
Considering a lot of places you pay $60 a night.
Yeah, that's right. So all right, we'll go down now. There's a little pontoon just down over here. We'll go down there and have a bit of a look at the main swimming area. Okay, so I thought I'd stop and have a look at these first. How good is this? Stainless steel barbecues, free to use, extremely clean. That's pretty good. So yeah, look, the seating's well maintained, and the rangers do come here every day. Every time we've camped here, they've come down and checked our camping tag or camping permit. So it is pretty good. Get yourself down here. So no fishing at this spot here. You can go up a bit further and have a fish. Obviously no diving. And bull rat. I didn't know what bull rat was till we moved up here, but it's like a freshwater stonefish. So when you come here, wear thongs or river shoes or whatever you want to call them. The rocks are very slippery. So we'll just go down and have a look. Pretty nice area. There's actually some big fish in here. I don't know what they are. I think they might be... Actually, I don't know what they are. Yeah, great in summer. We were here like last October long weekend and it was pretty packed. But it's pretty cool though. Definitely a lot more water than last time we were here. But it has been raining. Okay, so ouch, it says. Stinging trees are found along sections of this track. Do not touch the trees, they can give a very painful sting. That's them just there. I read a story on these that they were passed years ago. They reckon people have actually shot themselves because the pain was that bad. I don't know how true it is, but it's a pretty good story. How beautiful is this in here? So nice. But anyway, we're on our way down the walking trail. If I can get this thing to go correct, there we go. Little walking track towards a fig tree. A pretty big fig tree, I believe. So we'll just head down here and see what happens. Here it is, we come around the corner to this tree. It's pretty big. It's like something out of Avatar. What's going on? There's a bit of a scale of how big this thing is. Has a bit of a smell. We think it's the rotten wood on the inside. Smells a bit like cow poo. Crazy.
Wonderful idea I had once.
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
Good morning, everybody. Today's day 4 in the jungle and it's raining. Pack up day. Typical. But we'll get by. Still no leaks, which is good. The Icon has handled everything beautiful. Really happy with it. Jack's setup was performed beautifully again. He's over there, he's packing up, he's had enough. He wants to get back to a bit of Wi-Fi. I'm not in too much of a hurry. I wouldn't mind getting over to Lucinda Hotel and having a palmy. That sounds pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna have to pack everything up wet. Go home, set it all up, dry it all out, clean everything. It's all part of it. Anyway, we'll get back to it and might get a bit of footage of the muddy drive out. Yes, it's a mud fest. Love it.